some exclusive video from Cape Coral, Florida. I'm able to get this because I live nearby in an area that's much less affected than this. I think this area is called Wildflower Village. It's more like Wild Shrapnel Village now. They got the children working. Sanctuary. So I think what happens, all that debris you see on the side, the city or county contracts for independent contractors to come pick that up, and the residents don't pay extra, but taxes will go up. Spot I have all to myself. Take a walk.